Sono le giude di Togolini, di Togoseville, di Wadubini, di Wadubogi, le Nangam, le Zondi Lamusel, Aonkai, Iregi, Se, Tatani, Chima, Dinasho, Se Chima Gidoni, Ranzahina, Kunchangam.
You see, we have annual festival, which we call it a Sechu. Sechu meaning it is the 10th day. 10th day is considered to be a very special occasion for every Buddhist because of because it is believed that it is the birthday of one of the very renowned religious personality. So on this day, coinciding with the birthday of that great religious personality, it is observed as a Sichu or annual event festival. So during these days, the programs are performed or events are performed based on the religious. Nobody will invite them.
Okay.
Everybody will attend this festival at their own. We have not invited any one of them.
Okay.
They have personally come to witness this,
Okay.
and they will come early in the morning. For instance, we officials at the local level have attended this festival early in the morning from 5 o'clock.
Okay.
5 o'clock till now, we have not moved out of this place.
Okay.
This much belief. And at the end, we have to be there in the temple. Then only when the ceremony is over, we'll go out of this place.
This is held every year, sir.
Every year and every place and at the same venue and same date. We cannot change.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Here is Panwang.
Yes, here in Panama.